Next, find the value of 0.0000 4 times 0, 64 raised to 5 by 6 divided by 0.0003 times 0, 32 raised to 6 upon 5. Now this is what we have to find. Now one thing common about 64 and 32 is both are in the powers of 2. Means 2 raised to 6 is 64 and 2 raised to 5 is 32. Okay, so now we'll solve it. What it becomes, what the given expression is, if you write 64 as 2 raised to 6 and adjust the point, means point 2 raised to 6 means 6 times the point should go on the left side. So 64 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this expression becomes 0.2 raised to 6. So this can be written as 0.2 raised to 6. So it is 0.2 raised to 6 into 5 by 6 as it is divided by 0.2 raised to 5 into 6 by 5, right? So now 6 gets cancelled, 5 gets cancelled, it becomes 0.2 raised to 5 divided by 0.2 raised to 6. Now the problem is simpler. Divide means make it upon. So it becomes 0.2 raised to 5 upon 0.2 raised to 6. Now x raised to a upon x raised to b equals to x raised to a minus b. So here it will be 0.2 raised to 5 minus 6. Okay. That is 0.2 raised to minus 1. Now this 0.2 raised to minus 1 you can convert it to invertendo. So it will be 1 upon 0.2 raised to 1. So that is 1 upon 0.2. But you can convert this also again. Remove the zeros. So it will be 10 upon 2. Right? 5. So that is 5. That is the